Hi, I'm John from Autel. We're proud to announce the opening of the Autel Academy, our brand new state-of-the-art training facility at our New York headquarters. Technicians and Autel tool owners can utilize valuable educational and technical resources, get their hands on our tools, and interact with our expert automotive trainers. Our technical trainers play a pivotal role in shaping the Autel tools that technicians use every day in the field. They're excited to share that knowledge. Technicians will participate in both classroom instruction and interactive hands-on training in our on-site repair facility. This includes our innovative ADAS Baymax vehicle lift. You'll also get a chance to meet and interact with some of the great people who help create and support the Autel products that you use in your shop. Already scheduled dates will focus on ADAS and Autel's full lineup of calibration tools, including the industry-leading IA900 ADAS calibration and wheel alignment system, as well as our mobile MA600 frame. Shop owners and operators can see the IA900 in real time before making an important purchasing decision, or increase their understanding of the platform to improve their ADAS productivity and profitability. Future 1- and 2-day classes will focus on our other tools and categories. These include diagnostics, electric vehicle diagnostics, TPMS, key programming, and more. Each class consists of smaller groups with technicians receiving one-on-one instruction and attention from our trainers. Autel is not only committed to producing great diagnostic products, but also supporting the technicians out there in the trenches. Our goal is to empower them with the confidence and technical know-how to get the most out of their Autel tools. This is always good for the bottom line. See the upcoming schedule on the Autel Academy page at autel.com and reserve your seat today. Or contact your favorite authorized Autel dealer to secure an Autel Academy card, which can be redeemed on our website. Classes are filling up fast, so don't delay. We look forward to hosting you, and we hope to see you at the Autel Academy soon. Thanks for watching.